So now it's almost 11:30. I did finish off that blouse work, that peacock work. No, that is done. So that is sorted. Right now my plan is to stitch two salwars. Actually to alter two salwars. So first one is this beautiful salwar. So this is actually ready to stitch. That is, I will have to detach the sleeves and cut off the shoulder once again and attach the sleeve, and also I will have to stitch the slit part, and also I will have to reduce the length of this salwar. And this is the material for stitching chudi bottom, and this is the dupatta. This has been gifted by my sister-in-law for this Vishu, so I think I will stitch this today. Before that, I am planning to do a DIY peel off mask, which is there in internet for a very long time. That is with this gelatin. So I thought that I will make a peel off mask and use it and show you guys whether it works or not. It retails for 66 rupees, and there is quite a lot of product. I have already done this gelatin mask 5 or 6 times. I think few months back, I think years back. Before having Ema, I used to do this. Then after that, I just didn't do it at all. I really don't know why.
So first of all, take a bowl so that we can add all the things together in this bowl. And the very first ingredient we need is gelatin, of course, and then we need turmeric powder and honey, and then we can also use tea tree oil. It's optional. If we can use it, that's good. If not, you can completely omit it. Then we need hot water. First, take this gelatin and add 2 teaspoon of gelatin to a bowl. I think 2 teaspoon of gelatin is more than enough for a complete or like whole face. That's more than enough. And to this, I'll be adding little bit, very little of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is very good to remove suntan. Here I am using kasturi manjal. Please make it a point that when you are using for your face, try to use kasturi manjal because that's very good for your skin. And then I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of honey, which is very moisturizing. So there is chance that this face mask, when you apply it as it is without honey, it might be little drying. So honey adds that moisture. And then I'll be adding 2 to 3 tablespoon of hot water so that this gelatin gets melted and then it forms into a very nice pasty consistency. So as per the quantity you have taken, as per the quantity of gelatin, you can add this hot water. And then I'll be adding just 2 drops of tea tree oil, which is very good to remove dark spot. So in case your gelatin doesn't melt with hot water, try to use this double boiling method. In that way it will melt for sure. Then just apply to your hands and see if it has melted properly, and also see the temperature of this gelatin. This gelatin mask should not be cooled down completely, as well as it should not be very hot. It should be somewhere like a very lukewarm temperature. So when you apply it to your hands, it shouldn't be hot, or it shouldn't be very hot. That would burn your skin, right? So make sure that it's very much like a lukewarm temperature. Then you can apply it to your face with the help of a brush. It's always better to apply with the help of brush because it won't be that messy. If you do not have a brush, you can definitely go ahead and put this face mask with your fingers itself. So once you apply this face mask, just leave it on for good I would say 25 to 30 minutes, till when this mask gets completely dry. So you guys can do whatever you want. Like here I am editing this vlog, not vlog, here I was editing some video. So you guys can do whatever work you want, or else you just apply this mask and relax for a while. And once it is completely dried, you can peel off. Here I have applied that mask first to my hands, no, that I'm peeling off right now. So it was not completely dried. That's the reason it's not coming out in just one go. Now my mask is completely dried. It took me exactly 25 minutes to dry, and then I'll be pulling this a mask in upward direction so that it removes my facial hair and also blackheads and whiteheads. So in case if you do not want to remove your facial hair, you guys can definitely apply just to your nose area wherever you have blackheads and whiteheads. In that way it would remove the blackheads and whiteheads as well. So this mask is very good to remove facial hair, blackheads and whiteheads. So I'm not telling that it would remove eyebrow hair and that upper lip hair. Here what I want to say is that it would remove small facial hair which is there on your cheeks and side of your jawline. So that is something it would remove, but not that stiff and very strong facial hair. So it would definitely remove blackheads and whiteheads, that is for sure, but facial hair it wouldn't give like that best result. For me, I do not have any very thick hair. For me it's very tiny small hair, so that maybe because of that it did remove quite a lot of hair, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. So by the way guys, I forgot to mention that it is quite painful, so that is there, so please keep that in mind.
Think it has removed a lot of blackheads and whiteheads around my nose area. It has done a good job, which I didn't expect. So I was actually editing my Club Factory haul, which I'm gonna put it up pretty soon because I have shot this I think 1 or 2 months back. I didn't edit it till now. So I will quickly edit this and then I am gonna do stitching. If Ima doesn't wake up by then, Ima is sleeping right now. So that's what my plan is. So let me quickly finish off this editing.
Ima woke up, and so I didn't actually get any time for stitching. So I thought that I will show you guys this blouse work which I've done today morning. So I had mentioned about this at the starting of this vlog. So this is how I did the sleeve part. So if you guys have seen my previous vlog, you guys must have already seen me doing this blouse work. In that I have in detail explained how to do this. So here I am first sticking peacock feather to sleeve part, and then I'll be sticking this round mirrors. So if you want, you can go for smaller mirror, that would look much better. But since I didn't have that much time, and since I didn't had that small mirrors, I just went for this one big mirrors. So after that I'll be outlining it with liquid embroidery, and that's it. We are just repeating the same process, same method, and I'll be repeating the same thing to the other sleeves as well. But then make sure that you keep a piece of paper underneath so that the glue doesn't spread to the opposite side. Then I'll be repeating the same, and it's a beautiful work guys. I absolutely loved it. If you want, as I said, you can definitely go ahead and do it in saris. That would look more beautiful. So please do try it out, and let me know how it has turned out for you, and let me see your works. If you do if you anyways recreate this, please do send it to me through Instagram, or you can mail me. I will definitely share it share it in my community tab.
You guys must have already seen this in my yesterday's vlog. So I have done a small peacock and peacock feather and mirror work around it to the sleeves as well, to both the sleeves actually, and this is how it looks like, and I think it looks pretty. I'm really happy with the end result. If we want, we can put stonework all around this peacock feather, which I've already done, and you guys must have already seen that. I do not remember which vlog it is, but I will definitely leave up in the cart, so please do check it out. So this is how it looks like. Please do try it out guys, and let me know how it turned out for you. And if you recreate this craft, please do send it to me in Instagram. I would love to share it in my community tab, so please do that. The other work I have done is this one. So it's very simple mirror work. We can do it very easily. Hey guys, and now we are heading to Pooram exhibition. It's a Thrissur Pooram exhibition which happens every year just before Thrissur Pooram. And whenever I am at hometown, I make it a point that I go for that Pooram exhibition because it's so exciting and so nice. A lot of sellers from different states of India come over there. So it's a treat to eyes. There is a lot happening, and it's very good for kids as well. So Ima is gonna enjoy. So it's for the very first time I'm taking Ima. Ima is gonna see this big exhibition for very first time. So I'm excited for that as well. And also I'm so happy that I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So I'll be showing you guys everything. And by the way, I'm wearing this simple kurti which I bought from Kalyan last day. I have shown you guys, I guess. And ignore the mess. And I'm wearing this jeans, and I have put my hair in this updo. Have done video on this high bun. If you guys haven't checked it out, please do check it out because we can literally do this in just 1 minute. And as usual, I have applied a sunscreen and a compact powder and nude lipstick and a lip gloss, and I've done my eyebrows. It's so hot, guys. Oh my god, it's so hot, so humid. But still, I'm so excited for this exhibition because it's been 5 years I haven't been to this exhibition. So I'm so excited for this.